How to log into JetBlue Plus Card. What is up everyone? In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily log into your JetBlue Plus Card. First thing you have to do is open your browser and simply search for JetBlue Plus Card. Hit enter. And here you'll be able to see this JetBlue Plus Card. So you can just go ahead and open this link by Barclays US. And here all you have to do is just find the login button. And once you land on this page, you'll find the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Just click on this login button right here. And you'll get this little pop-up icon right here saying sign in. Now just tap on this to sign into your account. It will open up another portal on a new tab where you have an option to enter your user ID and password. Simply enter your username and then your password. And if you want the browser to remember your username, check this box and then click on login. And if you've forgotten your username and password, you can click right here to recover them. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.